Hi everyone, welcome to Sherry's Reselling Life. Today I have a video of a box from B&G Trading. I haven't opened it, I waited for you guys. I got 25 pieces. They're supposed to be Nordstrom shelf pulls, so no returns. Everything's supposed to be good. We'll see. Hopefully I didn't waste my money. I ended up getting 18% off. And with the shipping and everything, I want to say I paid $4.44 a piece, which honestly is a little higher than what I really usually want to pay for stuff. But it is brand new and it's Nordstrom. Got my handy scissors, so let's open the box. It's a big box, so I have it sitting over here. And we'll see what's in it. Hopefully some good stuff to sell on Poshmark and eBay maybe. If I can get the box open. Like I said, it's a pretty big one. Well, it's 25 pieces, so it's supposed to be all new stuff. Well, I should have got a box cutter because these scissors kind of suck. Jeez. They got it taped up pretty good. Okay. Let's see what we got. Sorry that my camera doesn't show the actual box. I got it on a tripod, so first thing when you open it, B&G Trading, they send you a little thing, a little brochure. I think it's got some coupons. Let me fold this back so we can get in it. Okay. Hopefully these are good. At $4.44 a piece, I need to be able to sell them for like, I would say 15 or more. So I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, let's see. First item is, let's hold it up here. Looks like a little maxi dress. Black and white striped. I know it's hard to see in the camera. It's very tiny. It is West Koi. Nordstrom Rack. It says $24.97, but that would be the Nordstrom Rack price. That's kind of cute. It's real long. Someone might like that. Okay, next one is from Nordstrom Rack. Marked down to $9.97, but you know, that's just the, it is a socialite, size small. It's another maxi dress, but look at the cute sleeves, and then you can see the empire kind of waist, and then it's real long. Not as long as the other one. Has pockets. It's kind of cute if you wear those. I like the maxi dresses and maxi skirts myself. They're comfortable to wear around the house and everything else. Okay. These are Aslan, extra large. They say a penny, but that just means they're going to go to liquidation from the Nordstrom Rack. They are a white pair of, it feels like linen. Nice. I'm trying to hold it so you can see it in the camera. Nice pair of just stretch-on pants by Caslin. Never heard of that brand. Just wanted to see if it showed the, are they linen or cotton? They are linen and rayon. Nice little pair of pants for summertime, I guess. Next item, Babo Petite, a medium petite. Oh, this is cute. Little top. Can you guys see it? Hopefully you can see it. I'm trying to show everything. That's new with tags. Well, everything's supposed to be new with tags. 20 bucks, but it still has the, they had it marked to $5.99, but it still has the other tag, so you just take that clearance one off. Okay. Next. Oh, this is cute. I wish that they were bigger sizes. Like, this is mostly small, extra small. Here's a really cute little cardigan. See it? And it is a halogen, extra small. I know that sometimes it's harder to sell the petite and extra smalls, but I have sold them. I mean, I had some pants that were size 2, and I thought, oh my gosh, these are never going to sell. But they did. LOD. This is a nice little sweater. Kind of a mint green. And it's a small. That's a pretty sweater. I'll have to look up comps or see what something similar is selling. Sorry, I keep wiping my eye. It's like, I think I got lotion or something stinging. Okay, what is this? Looks like a tank top without the dink. A halter top. BP, and it's an extra large. But the way it goes up here, looks like it really could use some straps. It's a little halter top. It's not going to hold up any double or triple Ds. Okay. Next. Spence, a small petite. And this is a pretty black dress. Let me shake it out there. There's the top. And then it's kind of like a maxi. Very pretty. Long sleeves. Okay. Too bad you couldn't just say, oh, send me a extra large to plus size. My box is about to fall here. Stay. Hold on. Just stay. Okay. This one is a little turtleneck sweater. Abound, and it's a small. Everything's small. Oh, it looks like a crop top. It's got crop top and real long sleeves. See them? They're really long. Maybe a kind of boho-ish. Okay, what's next? A large Cecina. Never heard of that brand. Oh, this is really cute. It is a romper. Check it out. Real pretty blue romper. It's got the shorts and pockets. And it says a large, but it looks pretty big. I'm sure it'll shrink though. Never heard of the brand. Very cute though. Now that's something that's going to be hard to put on a mannequin because it has shorts. So I guess I would just hang that on the wall. Here is a Socialite size large. Kind of silky blouse. Can you guys see it? It's kind of wrinkled. I'll have to steam everything. Next, well, so far everything is tops. What brand is this? Roa, extra large. Oh, this is cute. More rompers. Oh, this one's really cute because it's off the shoulders. Real ruffle. See it? And then these are the little shorts, and they're lined. It's got a liner inside, so that's kind of cool, like built-in undies. That is really cute, only this one doesn't have pockets. Next one is Planet Gold Plus, and it's a 3X. Cute little rainbow shirt. Look at that. Very cute. I'm sure someone will swipe that up quick. The only thing about that is it's kind of a thin little t-shirt. I don't know about 15 bucks. At least try to get 12 to get 3 times your money. Here's another little rainbowy looking shirt. from Abound, and this is supposed to be a 2X. Kind of a small 2X. Okay. BP medium. Kind of a light olive sagey green t-shirt. Yeah, the t-shirts, I don't know. What brand is this? 14th and Union. I think I have a couple tops of this for sale. This is a extra small. Pretty blouse. See it? It's got little tiny short sleeves. Almost not quite a tank. Try to hold it up for you guys. That one's a real nice blouse. Now that I could probably easily get $15 for. Okay, TOV Los Angeles. Never heard of it. And it just says 38. Very weird. Kind of a odd looking. Has these weird stitchings like on here. Like, see, here's the sleeve. Then it's stitched there. There's the sleeve. I think that would drive me nuts because it comes right off the shoulder. Anyways, it has a little tie. It's kind of boho looking. Okay, next. Code Mode. And this is a small. And it looks like a cute... Whoa, my stuff's falling. Looks like a cute little wrap blouse with these big... See the sleeves? Let me scoot back here. And it's like a little wrap. Ties on. My dog is barking, of course. He knows that I'm out here into something. My husband tried to put him in the room. And he's a brat. If he knows I'm getting into opening something, or he's got to be nosy and have his nose in it and see what's going on. So, sorry if you hear his chirping in the background. This is a Love Fire medium. Well, let me turn it around here. That's cute. Just a little top, and then this was with it, but no, it's a different company. But they match. It could go underneath it easily. Abound. It's a little striped tank that ties. That could totally go with this underneath it. Cute. So far, everything's been tops. Oh, here's one pair of pants. I was going to say, there's no pants. These look tiny, like they're for children. Oh my goodness. Articles of Society. And they kind of look like low waist, which nobody wants anymore, and they're skinnies. Skinnies people still want. Low waist, not really. Article of Society. Never heard of them before, but I don't sell a lot of jeans. I'm just getting into selling jeans. They're from Los Angeles. I guess we could put them on. Doesn't really have a size. They're tiny. I want to say like juniors or something. Oh, a 27. So not juniors, I guess. They're just real small. Almost like leggings or jeggings. That was the only pair of pants so far. Oh no, there was that white linen pair. No, I remember. Okay. Here is another top. Free press. Oh, it's a bodysuit. This is kind of cute. That's kind of cute. And this one's a zebra print. Top Shop. Just a little tank to wear under, you know, a cami. This one, alternative. I don't know what it is. It says something alternative. Oh, it's another pair of, another romper. These are just so cute. This one's like a peach. See it? Does it have pockets? No pockets, but peach and little polka dots. That's actually really cute. I like that. And the last piece is another romper that is Planet Gold. It's striped, black and white. And hold on, let me get it together here. There, it's like a tank top. Then it's got this stuff. Oh, that's cute. Got this on the sides. That's kind of at the waist. And then it's got the little pants. Kind of a wide leg, capri length romper. And this one's small, very small. Let's see. Oh, it's a medium. A medium to me is tiny. I mean, look at it. And that is all. That should be 25 pieces, I'll count. All in all, I think it was okay. I wish there were a little bit bigger sizes, because small and extra small, it does sell, but sometimes it's a little bit harder. Might take a little more time, but I'm not disappointed. Nothing was ripped, no stains, no holes. So they're all in good condition. They have the tags. But if you like this, check back in a couple days. I have a box of kitchen items and a box of personal care. I think it might have cosmetics and personal care. And that one is coming, I think, in 2 days, but it might take a day or two for me to do the video. And those are from 888 Lots. I went with them because I got half price, and so I got a pretty good deal. So we'll be unboxing those in the next video. If you like, give a thumbs up, and please subscribe and come back for our next unboxing. Thank you.